Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the EMG gesture prediction using machine learning. So this will be the complete flow chart of that particular project. Like in the starting of project, set up EMG sensor, collect data from subjects, create CSV dataset, time, EMG value, gesture class, clean and processing data, train ML model, random forest, SVM and neural network. Okay, compare model performance, select best model, save best model, build web portal, connect EMG sensor to portal, real-time gesture detection, live system ready. Okay, so this will be the test file. Let's open any of the file. Okay, so these are channel 1 from to channel 8. These are the values, and this will be the data set. Let's open it. Okay, so this will be the complete data set. The time, channel 1 to channel 8, class, and the label. So this will be the complete data set. Now, these are the links for the Kaggle data set. Let's open it. Just copy this link and paste in a browser. Okay, so this will dataset for the EMG signal for gesture recognition. We can download it from here. Okay, let's close this. Open that particular live EMG gesture detection.html. So this will be the complete code which we have already saw. It will generate the graphs. Now let's open the live EMG gesture detection.html file. And in the starting live, we are importing all the necessary libraries. Then we are importing the job library and best model like EMG random forest model.pkl. Okay, and EMG scalar.pkl. Now gesture class meaning for the references and prediction gesture. We are preparing the data, live testing function, upload the test file and make the prediction, create result data frame, add actual class if available, visualize the result and the prediction distribution, confidence distribution, sample EMG pattern, high confidence predictions, confusion matrix, gesture timeline, and say predictions. Okay, now live testing system. Run the live testing system. It will generate the graphs like predicted gesture distribution, prediction confidence distribution, sample EMG pattern, high confidence predictions, confusion matrix, gesture timeline. Now run the live testing system. It will show the predicted gesture distribution, prediction confidence distribution, sample EMG pattern, and high confidence predictions more than 0.8, confusion matrix, and gesture timeline. Okay, now open the training of EMG gesture detection code. Now we are importing all the libraries. Then load the dataset. Basic information about dataset. These are the staticals. Summary. Check unique value in important column. Visualize the class distribution, the gesture class and subject ID. Gesture class meaning for references. Get EMG channel column. If columns are numbered differently, let's find them. Plot EMG signals. Sample different gesture for visualization. Hand at rest. Hand clenched in a fist. Wrist extension. Data pre-processing. Remove unmarked data if present. And check if any infinite or none value. Handle any missing or infinite values. Like total 50% of our data for faster training. Use the sample data. traditional machine learning models, compare model performance, add accuracy values on bars, training speed comparison, plot training times, confusion matrix for best model. Now the training random forest accuracy 0.99795, training decision tree accuracy 0.9712, and the training naive Bayes accuracy 0.5676. Okay, the model performance comparison, EMG gesture classification. It will show the random forest, decision tree, and naive Bayes machine learning algorithms. Training speed analysis, random forest 116.6117 seconds, decision tree 4.2715 seconds, naive Bayes 0.1452 seconds. The training speed comparison, lower is better, like random forest, decision tree, and naive Bayes. The highest will be the random forest. These are the confusion metrics for best model. Okay, you can see model performance summary, random forest, naive Bayes, and decision tree. So the best model will be the random forest and best accuracy will be 0.9795. The deep learning model, we are building the deep learning model. Model summary, evaluate the model. Now the model sequential one, non-trainable parameters, trainable parameters, model accuracy, model loss in the epoch, final result summary. Now the final model performance comparison, random forest, decision tree, neural network, and naive Bayes. Best performing model, random forest, best accuracy 0.9795. Analysis completed successfully. Now we are saving the model, training model and scalar, and model save as that particular EMG random forest model .pkl, and scalar save as EMG scalar .pkl, EMG column save as EMG columns .pkl. Okay, so this is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.